I like Shapeways. Obviously, is the biggie. I've been using Express 3D for a long time, and Shapeways is one company. Everything goes to Shapeways. Everything gets done at Shapeways. And I think they may subcontract stuff depending on, like, I think they've got a bunch of people on their roster. Express 3D is, and let me just bring that up real quick. Express 3D is a clearinghouse for rapid prototyping stuff. And let me just load them real quick. And I think they might still be fussy about running in Internet Explorer versus Firefox. But basically what this is this is a quote aggregating service. So you make an account, and then what you do is when you get a price quote, you push on the instant price quote, you upload your file to them, the STL file, and basically what it does is it just looks at cube. All it does is analyze the cube, and then it gives you an option. Do you want water clear SLA? Do you want SLS? Do you want FDM? Do you want PolyJet? Do you want Z-Core? How do you want it finished? And these are all on drag downs, and then you say boom. And what it does is it prints it out for quote to a bunch of vendors that are signed up with them. And usually within about an hour, you'll get a dozen quotes for the same part. And then all you have to do is it looks like this. And you say, okay, well, for $140, I can get a 3DP part, or for 175 to 225, I can get SLA. I want SLA. Boom. So then it'll take you and it'll drill down and it'll say, here's this company and this company and this company and this company and this company. And you're like, hey, these guys are just down the street, so I'm going to send it to them. Boom. And off it goes. And it all happens automatically. It all gets billed automatically, and then the part shows up at your house, FedEx. So this is something that I use for a long time. These guys have been around forever. And in fact, I want to say, actually, I take that back. This is not how I printed the first part I ever did, but this is how I started printing stuff very quickly after. Shapeways, they're great. I can't say anything bad about them. They do all sorts of crazy stuff, like they can print in glass and sterling and sorts of stuff like that. So those are the two that I kind of use. Express 3D, I'm kind of a creature of habit. I've been using those guys for a long time, so that's typically where my first go is. But Shapeways is great. The other thing too, Terry Wohlers, Wohlers, if you Google him, is a rapid prototyping guru who's been around since the beginning of time. And he has a rapid prototyping newsletter that's worth getting because he vets out all the new technologies and has all that kind of stuff. And he also has a list of vendors. Plus, he's a super great guy. So if you ever talk to him, he's super interesting. Been doing this a long time. So